everyone. Welcome to Unfolded English Podcast. I'm Lucy.
And I'm Alex. Hey, Lucy, I went to a restaurant yesterday.
Oh, really? How did it go? Did you feel comfortable ordering?
Well, I was nervous at first, but I remembered some simple phrases.
That's perfect. Today we're talking about restaurant English. We want to help you order food naturally and feel confident.
Right. Let's start with the beginning. What happens when you arrive?
Good question. Usually someone says, how many people, or table for how many? You can simply say, table for 2, please, or just 2 people.
That's easy. What about when we sit down?
The waiter usually gives you a menu. They might say, here's your menu, or take your time.
Right. Take your time. That means you don't need to hurry.
Exactly. You can look at the menu slowly. Now, what happens next?
Are you ready to order?
Yes, if you need more time, you can say, not yet, please.
Or, can I have a few more minutes?
Perfect. Those are both very polite ways to ask for time. Now let's talk about ordering. What do people usually say?
The most common phrase is, I'll have. For example, I'll have the chicken.
I'll have the chicken. That's simple.
You can also say, can I get the pasta? Or, I'd like the fish, please.
Those sound natural too. What if we don't know something on the menu?
Great question. You can ask, what's in this dish? Or, how do you make this?
Right, and if we want a recommendation?
You can say, what do you recommend? Or, what's popular here?
What's popular here? I like that one. Waiters usually know the best dishes.
Exactly. They can help you choose something good. Now, what about drinks?
The waiter might ask, what would you like to drink? Or, something to drink?
Yes, you can say, I'll have water. Or, can I get a Coke?
Water is always a safe choice. What if we need something during the meal?
Good point. You can say, excuse me, to get the waiter's attention.
Then you can ask for things like, can I have more water? Or, can I get some napkins?
Perfect. Those are very useful phrases. Let me ask you something. What about paying?
Oh, that's important. You can say, can I have the check, please? Or the bill, please? Now, let's practice some useful sentences our listeners can use.
Great idea. Here are 7 simple sentences you can use right away. Table for 2, please.
Number 2, I'll have the chicken, please.
Number 3, what do you recommend?
Can I get some water?
Not yet, please. I need more time.
Number 6, what's in this dish?
And number 7, can I have the check, please?
Those 7 sentences will help you in any restaurant. Let me do a quick recap. But Alex, what if someone has dietary restrictions, like they can't eat certain foods?
Oh, that's a great question, Lucy. Many people need to ask about ingredients. You can say, I'm allergic to nuts, or I can't eat dairy.
Exactly. And if you're vegetarian, you can ask, do you have vegetarian options? Or is this dish meat-free?
Right. You can also say, I'm on a gluten-free diet. Or, does this contain any seafood? These questions help you stay safe.
That's so important for health and safety. What about making changes to a dish? Sometimes we want something a little different.
Good point. You can ask, can I get this without onions? Or, can you put the dressing on the side? Most restaurants are happy to help.
And if you want your meat cooked a certain way, you can say, I'd like my steak medium rare. Or, can you cook this well done?
Perfect. Now, Lucy, let's do a quick practice. I'll be the waiter and you be the customer. Ready?
Sure. This'll be fun. Our listeners can practice along with us.
Hello, welcome to our restaurant. How many people today?
Table for 2, please.
Perfect, right this way. Here's your menu. Take your time, and I'll be back in a few minutes to take your order. Hi again. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. What do you recommend?
Our salmon is very popular today, and our pasta special is also excellent. Both come with a side salad.
This salmon sounds good. Does it contain any dairy? I'm lactose intolerant.
Let me check with the kitchen. Good news, the salmon is grilled with just herbs and lemon, no dairy at all.
Perfect. I'll have the salmon, please. And can I get water to drink?
Excellent choice. 1 salmon with herbs and lemon, side salad, and water. I'll get that started for you right away.
That was great practice, Alex. Did you hear how we used those phrases naturally in conversation?
Exactly. We used table for 2, please, what do you recommend, and asking about dietary restrictions. It felt like a real restaurant conversation.
And listeners, there are a few more phrases that can really help you. For example, if you want to share food, you can ask, "Can we get an extra plate?"
Good one. And if the food is taking a long time, you can politely ask, "Excuse me, how much longer for our food?" Don't worry, this is completely normal.
That's right. And if something is wrong with your food, don't be afraid to speak up. You can say, "Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered."
Absolutely. Good restaurants want you to be happy. They will usually fix the problem quickly and politely.
And when the food is good, it's nice to say something positive. You can tell the waiter, "This is delicious," or "Everything tastes great."
They really appreciate that. Oh, and one more thing. In America, remember to tip about 15 to 20% for good service. This is very important in American restaurants.
That's all for today. Thank you so much for listening to Unfolded English Podcast. We really hope this helps you feel more confident in restaurants. Please remember to follow our podcast. When you follow us, it helps more people find our show. This way, we can help even more English learners like you.
Yes, following us really helps our channel grow. We have more episodes coming soon.
Take care, everyone. Practice these phrases and enjoy your next restaurant visit.